Guys, welcome to LBC's video this week. We're heading up to Cambridge. It's a cold and foggy morning and we're doing a brick clean today. We've got St. Gabriel on the tools. It's going to be a busy day, so stay tuned. It's going to be big. Just seen Big Conan on site. We're pulling up. He's got his hard hat on, so he means business. Gabriel getting rigged, getting uniform on. Big day ahead. Conan, he's in attendance. Let's go meet the big man. Big Conan's on the scene. Talk us through the job today.
Right guys, so we're restoring this old Barclays Bank church here in Soham, up the country. We're going to be steam cleaning all the brickwork. If you follow me, come around the back, see how fungalicious it is. You can see all this yellow brickwork is covered in green algae. So we're going to be using high temperature, low pressure to safely steam clean the brickwork, removing all that organic dirt, all that organic algae, and bring the bricks back to their natural yellow colour. Cheers, Gary.
So a bit of info on the job, Conan. Understand you've had to rejiggle a few jobs, is that right?
Yeah, so we originally quoted this job back in March, and as it always is on construction projects, everything's in a rush, especially when there's scaffolding involved. So the scaffolding is coming down this weekend. So the client let me know, called me up on Monday, said, is there any way you guys can get in and get this job done before the weekend? And it put a bit of pressure on us. We had to shift jobs around. We've got people doing stuff today that they weren't originally planning to do, and we've managed to get a team down here, and we're going to try and get about 3-4 days worth of work done in just 2 days. So the pressure's on, but LBC as usual, delivering great results under pressure.
That's it, you thrive under the pressure and you will deliver. So time is against LBC today, but Conan and the troops, they've got it, they've got this. Gabriel the machine. Customer's just had a little look. He's very happy. Customer's very happy. Look at the difference there. Oh my, beautiful. And again. Gabriel, focus, no letting up, 100% intensity. Look at that grind. Looking like new. Just getting to every nook and cranny. No shortcut, every single nook and cranny. Another job well done. This guy didn't stop. That's a wrap from LBC. Another day with the machine, St. Gabriel. He didn't stop. He didn't even stop for air. He just worked non-stop. Me, I stopped. The media team here at LBC, we have to have lunch. Gabriel, nah. Coming back tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Nice.
Stay tuned. See you next week.